Hey, Jimmy with Cuff and Stuff. Well, as I always say, we got another good one for you. Let me tell you, it is broiling hot outside. I really don't want to fire the grill up or the smoker or get into that, so I'm gonna do one inside. And this is one that I've had several people ask me about, so today's the day we're gonna do it. This is gonna be air fryer, twice baked, stuffed potatoes. We're gonna go through the steps, show you how to do it. Oh man, this is good stuff. It's a meal in itself, I'm telling you. So, hang tight. Okay, well, first thing we're gonna do is we've cooked a little bacon in the air fryer. And we're going to let it cool off and crumble it up. Let's take a fork, and these are just russet potatoes. They're labeled bacon potatoes at the grocery store. I'm just gonna take a fork and just stick some holes all over it just to let the steam out as it cooks. Does it make a difference? Yeah, it cooks a lot faster if you'll put some holes in it like this. And we just scrub them up in the sink, clean them up good. They're on the ground, so they do still have some dirt on them when they make it to the grocery store. All right, I'm gonna take, and this is just extra virgin olive oil spray. Some people like using butter. This is just easier to me. I'm gonna take a little bit of salt. All right. We'll put them in the air fryer. I'm going to set it on 30 minutes. It's on 400 degrees, and we get down the road a little bit. We're going to check on it, and we'll bring you back. Okay, it has been 30 minutes. This is cooked in the air fryer for 30 minutes, and they're pretty big potatoes. I didn't really expect them to be done. So I'm gonna turn them over. Hot potato. And I'm gonna give them another shot here. And let's give them about 15 more minutes. So we'll let them go about 15 more minutes. In the meantime, I'm gonna cut up some spring onions, and when we get all that done, we'll bring you back. Okay, well, our potatoes have gone another 15 minutes for a total of 45 minutes in the air fryer. I chopped up some spring onions. I just like a little spring onion, give it that flavor. And throw it in the bowl. Take our potato out. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this skin down all the way through around and make just a little bowl. And I'm gonna take this off. Now I'm not gonna throw that away because I'm gonna use it. And I'm gonna take a spoon. Let me trade places here. I'm gonna take a spoon and I'm gonna dip this potato out. The potato is done, but I don't wanna scrape it all the way up to the skin. I wanna leave enough potato in this shell to hold it together. I'm gonna take this and set it aside and just scrape all this off. I'm not gonna use this little flap that I cut off. And let's see, that's a bigger one. Let's use it. And again, I'm just gonna take and cut this top off and make a little bowl. And take and scrape all this potato hot potato. All right, so that's 2 of them. I'm gonna go on and do the 3rd one just for the heck of it. That way I'll be sure I've got plenty in here. So, next, remember way back at the beginning, I had about 3 slices of bacon. I'm gonna throw all of it in. I'm gonna take a little butter, and this is about, I'm gonna start with about half a stick. But that's about half a stick I'm gonna throw in there. And let's just take our spoon and mix this up. That butter goes quick as hot as these potatoes are. Mixes in there. Good flavor. Make sure you mix it up good. Mix all those onions and bacon and all of that in here. Oh, this is good stuff. All right. Now, I'm gonna take a little pepper. Love the smell of fresh ground pepper. Good stuff. All right, let's stir that in. There we go. My goodness. We're just getting started. That smells good already. All right. Now, to this, I'm gonna add probably a good tablespoon, and this is just ranch dressing. Again, just a touch to add some flavor. Mix him in good. All right. So here's how we're going to start. Okay. We're going to take and we're going to start putting this potato mixture back down in there. And I want to press him out good. Okay, about like that. Okay, it's not full, and it has a little bowl left on top. And I'll go ahead and show you the first couple. And again, just take that potato with your spoon and push it down in there good. About like that. All right. For the next step, we'll bring you right back. Okay. Well, as you see, I've got all 3 of these potatoes ready to go. Here's the next ingredient we're gonna put in. Ta-da! There we go. This is some pulled pork that I did. I already had it ready to go. So that little cavity that I left in that potato, this is what's going in it. Well, here we go. Just right. Pulled pork in the top of this. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of this. I like sharp cheddar cheese. Use whatever cheese you want. Whatever floats your boat. I'm gonna put some cheddar cheese over the top of this. Just like this. Okay. And so now I'm gonna take and put 3 of these right back in the air fryer. Side by side, just like this. All right. Now, I'm gonna take, I'm gonna just back in the air fryer, and I'm gonna set it for about 5 minutes. And I'm gonna let that finish in the air fryer, and then I'm gonna bring it back. Well, 5 minutes is up. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at this. Oh, that's pretty. Cheese is melted just right. Twice baked, stuffed, air fryer potato. Sour cream. Gotta have sour cream on a baked potato. Well, what do you think? Is that good stuff? And let's top him off just a little bit more of that spring onion, just to make him pretty. And there you have it. That is air fryer, twice baked, stuffed with pulled pork, baked potatoes. Too hot, go out and fool with the grill. This didn't heat the kitchen up at all. This is good stuff. Hey, now if you don't want to do it on the air fryer, or you don't have an air fryer, do your potatoes on the grill. Do them the same way. One thing left to do here, I get fussed at for not doing it sometimes. So here's a good bite. It's got everything in it. So let's try it. It's a meal by itself. That's good stuff. Well, thanks for hanging around. We really appreciate your support, helping our channel out. If you haven't already, hit this circle over here. Subscribe. Leave us a comment. Share it. Share the video. I'll have another video for you over here. Until next time, hang tight.